Hi, this intro lesson is going to be a quick demo on how we can receive a PDF, save it within our drive, update, sign it, and then download it as a PDF and send it back, all using Google Docs. So it's going to be a quick demo, and then afterwards I'm going to be running through how to use Google Docs and increase your productivity, how to work with Google Docs, how to work more effectively and efficiently with Google Docs. So we've received an email, it's got a PDF, and with this email it says, can you please date and sign this PDF and send back to me? So Google Docs actually provides a really nice option for this. So we have an option to, within the drive, to add it to Drive, or we could download it. So let's go ahead and add this to Drive. And once we've added it to Drive, then we can open it up, and we can also go into our Drive and we see that we've got the PDF there. So let's go ahead and open up the PDF. And this is a functionality of Drive. Once you open up a PDF, you have an option to open with Google Docs. So let's go ahead and open it with Google Docs. So it's going to convert the PDF into a Google Doc. And keep in mind that this doesn't always work well with very complex PDFs. So some will translate easily and some won't. So we need to update the date and just put in a date. So December 20th, 2020. And I've got my name there, and I need to add in a signature. I am going to be going over this in more detail coming up. So let's go ahead and add in a signature. We've got an option within the Google Docs so that we can select Insert. And under Insert, we go to Drawing, select a new drawing. If we already have a signature on file, we can select a signature from our Google Drive, or you can upload it as an image. So there are a number of ways if you already have a signature ready to go. If you need to create a brand new signature, you can go open up the drawing, and within the drawing, go down to Scribble. And then this is where we can scribble our signature. And that's actually not my real signature, of course. And then we can resize as needed. And then you can also put your name underneath the signature. And I'm just going to get rid of that line because we don't need that anymore. And there we go. So that's it. So now we've dated it and we've signed it. We're ready to return it as a PDF. So once we've completed our update, we've added in the signature and we've updated the way we need it. Select Download and Download PDF. And this will download the file as a PDF. So then we can go back to our documents or our email, hit reply, and send over the signed version. So drag and drop it into the email. It will upload the signed version, and now we can send the signed version back to the original source, sending out a full signed PDF. So that's the unsigned one that was sent to me, and then this is the new signed one that we just updated. Some more really neat tricks that you can do with Google Docs coming up, as well as more information on what we've just gone through and how you too can use Google Docs to do some pretty amazing things.